Hello pool players, how many of you have hit that great bank shot only to end up scratching into another pocket? It happens to all of us. So I've got 4 shots I want to show you here that are pretty common, and let's show you how we can avoid the scratch. So let's get into it. Shot 1 is a bank back into the corner pocket. Now many of you know that I like to use pocket reducers. This forces me to more accurately pocket the object ball, which in turn gives me accurate feedback as to where the cue ball will be traveling on its tangent line. So now let's take a look at this bank shot and let's study where the cue ball will end up. Notice here that I'm using my 2-finger method, which I picked up from Dr. Dave when I began learning the game 3 years ago. Here I've moved the object ball further away from the cushion so that I can better show you the method and how we apply it. Notice the direction my index finger is pointing. This will give you a fairly accurate idea as to where the cue ball will travel. You can then use your cue to look at angle in and angle out. And what I like to do is just rotate my cue down table to determine where the cue ball is going to end up. Since this shot comes dangerously close to the corner pocket, we're going to shoot several other shots while applying different English to the cue ball to change the travel path up table. This next shot, I'm going to apply inside spin. Notice how the inside spin kills the cue ball off the cushion and then keeps it short of the corner pocket. Next, we're going to use top left running spin to lengthen the angle. With these examples, I like using the running spin best. Notice here I've added a target ball and I've gained perfect position to make it in the corner pocket. I'm sure some of you asked, why is Ron not running that shot into the side pocket? Well, I just wanted to show you that we can get up table and not scratch, so I just wanted to show you several shots to do that. So here is a shot into the side pocket, and notice how I've used my cue to look at the line where the cue ball will be traveling. I'm going 3 cushions with top right, and it'll come right off this cushion real nicely into the shot line for the 9 for an easy pot. Shot 2 is a long rail back cut bank shot. Here I have the object ball close to the cushion, which can result in a double kiss, which is shown here. So often what players will do is use bottom and watch what happens. They'll draw the cue ball right into the corner pocket even though they've made the shot. So my preferred technique is to use inside spin. It not only clears the double kiss, but it also helps to pocket the shot. As with shot 1, let's take a different route with shot 2. Here I'm using the same inside spin, but I'll be pocketing the ball into the other corner. Notice how the inside spin kills the cue ball, thus limiting its travel so it does not scratch. Shot 3 is my favorite, and it's the cross corner bank shot. This one is very easy to scratch on. As shown here, most players hit these shots a little bit too hard, thus creating the scratch. Another mistake is to use the wrong English. In this case, I hit left spin and scratched into the side pocket. Here, I use about a tip of inside spin or right spin, and look what happens here. My final shot is the shot that I found was least likely to scratch, and that's when I loaded up with pure inside spin, so pure right spin. And this brings us to shot 4, and what you do not want to do is use draw. Notice here how the cue ball comes right towards the side pocket. The best way I've found to shoot this shot is with top right. Also, it's not necessary to overhit these shots as shown here. Your takeaway on this video should be to understand the travel path of the cue ball as well as not overhitting the shot. When we hit the shot too hard, we send the cue ball flying, which can result in a scratch. I hope this video was helpful to many of you. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. I answer everyone. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.